The Antarctic. It is the southernmost continent on Earth. It is located entirely in the southern hemisphere, almost entirely south of the Antarctic-Arctic cycle, and is surrounded by the Antarctic Ocean. It contains the geographic South Pole, so colloquially and by extension it is also known as the South Pole. There are few places on the planet as impressive and inaccessible as Antarctic. The remoteness is extreme cold, its ice shelves and mountain ranges, as well as its exotic life forms. Climate and ice mark the itinerary. Today, visitors can even climb peaks. However, nothing compares to the steep crevasses of the spectacular glaciers or the immensity of the polar ice cap. Antarctic, on average, is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, and has the highest average altitude of all the continent. It is an ice desert. About 99% of Antarctic is covered by ice.